In this video lecture, we will discuss the working of water types of fire extinguisher. When the fire brigade person starts spraying water over the places where the fire has occurred, water cools down the temperature of the fire by continuously spraying of water. It finally decreases the temperature or ignition temperature of the fuel. So fuel cannot be ignited anymore. Thus, it prevents the fire from spreading furthermore. The water vapor generated blocks the supply of oxygen, thereby decreasing the supply of oxygen to the fuel. We cannot use water fire extinguisher in all cases to control the fire. For example, in case of electrical fires and fire produced by flammable liquids such as petrol, oil, paints, spirits, solvents, etc. So certain flammable liquids can spread quickly and run the risk of the reignition if not properly extinguished. So in such cases, we generally use dry powder type fire extinguisher or CO2 fire extinguisher, which cut off the supply of oxygen to extinguish the fire.